Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a really important Smartsheet tutorial for you, especially if you've ever worried about losing data or accidentally overwriting important information in your sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to track every change made in Smartsheet, and most importantly, how to recover previous values if you or someone else makes an error. This is one of those skills that could honestly save you a ton of time, headaches, and maybe even your whole project someday. So let's jump right in. Let's start right at the beginning, open up Smartsheet and head to the sheet you want to work with. It's always a good idea to be certain you're on the right sheet before you begin, especially if you have quite a few sheets in your workspace. Double-check that you're not making changes in a template or a read-only copy, unless that's what you intend. Alright, now that you've got your sheet open, let's talk about how you can review previous versions or see exactly what has changed over time. In Smartsheet, there's no traditional restore the whole sheet with one button kind of feature, at least not yet. But you do have detailed change tracking built right in, and it's a lifesaver. Start by clicking on any cell where you want to check its history. This is perfect if you're unsure who updated the status, changed a critical number, or rewrote some notes. Maybe someone marked a task complete by accident and you want to figure out when that happened. Just right-click on the cell and head up to File, then select View Cell History. This gives you a detailed timeline of changes specific to that cell. You'll see every change, who made it, and exactly when it happened. Think of it like flipping through a detective's notebook for that one spot in the sheet. It's precise, and it helps you narrow things down without getting overwhelmed by unrelated info. If your team or organization is on a business or enterprise Smartsheet plan, you have even more power at your fingertips, the activity log. To find this, look for the option in your File menu. The activity log is like a master timeline for the whole sheet, letting you review everything that's happened, not just cell by cell. This is especially helpful if you need to audit big changes, double-check approvals, or figure out who may have changed a formula that suddenly stopped working. Take your time here. If you're new to it, don't worry if it feels a little overwhelming. You can filter by user, action, or date to make it manageable. It's there to give you peace of mind and some accountability. Now here comes the crucial bit about recovery. Smartsheet doesn't yet have a one-click rollback or restore option for the entire sheet like you might see in Google Docs or Excel online. That means if you want to recover a previous value, you'll need to do it manually, restoring those values one cell at a time. It's definitely not as quick as hitting undo for the whole sheet, but it's plenty effective for correcting mistakes if you catch them. My advice, if you spot something off, take a moment to assess where the change happened. Use the cell history or activity log to confirm the correct previous value and just re-enter it. It may take a few moments, but it works, and knowing exactly how to do this puts you miles ahead of most users. So that's the core process. If you ever feel unsure or get stuck, remember, Smartsheet is tracking every change, and you can always retrace your steps with these tools. Let me know if you have questions or if you've run into situations where this saved your project. I love hearing your stories. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for more practical Smartsheet tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.